Cheryl here today. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. And for those who keep coming back, I truly appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Today I'm in my cutting garden and I'm going to be doing a little bit of cleanup. So if you want to see what's going on, stay tuned. Okay, if you like gardening, DIYs, hauls, cooking, crafting, this is the place to be. And so stay with me, and today I'm just going to be doing a little cleanup. My husband just finished cutting, trimming the hedges here in my cutting garden. If you follow me, I've been trying to restore this area, so I'm just going to be raking up some branches that he cut off my hedges. And the one hedges that have that crazy plant in it, it's doing pretty good. If you could see it there, they're coming back. I still have that crazy clematis vine that keeps wanting to come up, but that is about it that's going on over here as far as this hedge is. If you want to look back on one of the first videos of this area, you could see how they look terrible. My roses are doing okay. They could get a little thicker, but that will probably happen over time. I hadn't been taking care of them, so I'm just going to just start raking up some of these branches, and I'm going to take off my microphone, so I hope you'll be able to hear me because I can't rake with this connected. So moving out the way for a second here, taking off this microphone. It's sunny and trying to do a little bit out here before it get hot. Uh-oh. I don't want y'all to see my boobies. Okay. Get my glove back on. So, move down a little bit so y'all can see. I don't know if y'all want to see me rake. So I guess when it gets cooler is when I'm going to start digging up some plants. And, I'm going to divide some hostas. And some people are afraid to divide plants. Perennials are super easy. I don't show any mercy when I do it because they are easy to propagate. And I'm going to show you how to do it with hostas and daylilies and irises. I actually have a video on my channel called how to transplant or how to grow Siberian irises. It wasn't easy as far as how I try to do it. But it is, the roots are thick. So I didn't have the right tool with me. I needed my serrated knife that I use when I'm dividing plants. So I'm going to keep raking, and I'll be back in a minute and show you a couple other things. Okay, I'm over here. I'm getting ready to try to dig up this old rose and this probably a tree. Looks like crepe myrtle. Get this thing out of here. So let me know if y'all get tired. Then I get my husband to come dig it up for y'all. I tried to pull it out by hand. I already know better than that. I got some pretty daylilies here. I'm going to have to move them. That's deep. Oh, I feel a rock. Rocky over here. I don't even know if y'all can see me. I'm going to take a look and see if y'all can see. Y'all can see the shovel. I'm going to try to go down a little bit so y'all can see the ground. To move my camera down here. I don't know if y'all be able to see. But anyway, I'll show y'all when I get it up how big the root is. The problem is they're going to rock under here somewhere. Preventing me from digging down here. Okay, so I got this out. This I think was I don't know. It looks like a crepe myrtle. I don't know. Might be a seedling from this tree, but maybe not. Okay. I gotta make sure I get all the roots. This is one of those wild roses. And I know I'm trying to grab it, but it's thorns. If I don't get it all out, it's going to come back again next year. Let's get past that darn rock. See the rock. Some of it out. Okay, I cleaned up under here the best that I could. I got 2 piles, that little small pile there, and that big pile right there. But this bush here, I have 2. I have a third one out front where my hostas, where my azaleas are. This one on this side here looks like I have 3, so that third one, I need to bring it over here in the winter time sometime. It's going to be hard with all those thorns. But I'm going to trim these back and see if they'll get thicker. But this in front of me is a crepe myrtle called Mache, and the bark peels. Look how pretty it looks. And it blooms white. And there you can see it started blooming. There's a few white blooms. It's gotten really big. But so I guess that's good that the roots are not too bad where it would tear down my little fence here. But so, I don't know what this is. It looks like a crepe myrtle. Is it? Must be from this tree.
It's off the root.
Oh, okay. Alright, so, yeah, I do have 3 here of these barberries. I'm going to try to trim them back sometime. See, I'm trying to pull some more of this bark out. And there's a branch that fell out the trees. But it's going to be kind of tough cutting this thing back with all these sticker brass. But see, I got that rose out I was telling you about. And I can still pretty much see where the daylilies are. And so hopefully I'm going to leave it so when they die back, I'll be able to see the dried up leaves, so I'll know where to dig when I want to move them. Not quite sure exactly where I want to move them, if I'm going to move them in my cutting garden or what. So I got to map out what I want to do with some of these plants that are not doing well where I have them. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you come back to see me again to see what I do over here in the garden. And yeah, I got to come back and let y'all know about what's going on in my little shed. It needs some repair. My she shed. Alright, it's Miller time. Bye. Okay, we over here chilling. It's Miller time. We're taking a break. Alright, y'all. See y'all on the next one. Bye.